for rather more of the country than we hoped. Now, there's been this band of cloud lying from more or less western Scotland down towards East Anglia throughout the day. It's barely moved. It's not just been cloud, there's been rain there as well. You just may have seen the radar scan going through. There's still some light blue here. It is still raining from place to place. And that's the responsible frontal zone. And just look at the contrast across it. On the cold side, Newcastle's not done better than 9 Celsius on the 16th of June, today. That's 48 Fahrenheit. If it had been in the sunshine, as it was in Salisbury, then you'd have been up to 24, so that's 75 Fahrenheit. Well, there is good news, of course. We're moving that front out of the way tomorrow. It'll be out in the North Sea by about lunchtime, so an improvement for almost all the dull areas today. It'll be better tomorrow. But tonight it'll still be dull. Mind you, that acts as a blanket. It means the temperatures won't drop too far. They might go down as far as 5 Celsius in northern Scotland at first, but I think that'll cloud up later as well. Otherwise, we're more or less double figures, and of course there's still mist and rain in places. So Friday will start fairly dull, again from, shall we say, Derbyshire or Nottinghamshire northwards, with the rain probably on the eastern side by then, eastern England and eastern Scotland, and of course the sun out almost at dawn in many southern areas. By the end of the day, though, it'll be a lot better. Most of northern England, most of inland Scotland and most of Northern Ireland will be into the sunshine, at least at some time. It'll just be maybe the coast of County Antrim, County Londonderry, the Western and Northern Isles that see the dull, maybe continuing wet weather. So with improved sunshine, that means improved temperatures from 9 maybe up to 19, who knows, in Newcastle or Durham, certainly better than today. On the windward coast, and it won't be that windy, I think 14 or 15, should we say, for the Lake District and southwest Scotland. And further south, 24, maybe even 25. Oh yes, that's 77 Fahrenheit. Some relief from what you might call oppressive heat that will be along the south coast with very light winds, so we might see a sea breeze in the afternoon, which is good news for hay fever sufferers because the pollen count will still be high over much of southern England and the Midlands. So you can smile further north because you'll have the sunshine and a fairly low pollen count as well. Into the weekend, no real complications. The front's still wiggling out over Scotland and Northern Ireland. Very warm and maybe humid weather elsewhere.